My name is Patrick Ta. I am the first curator of Glam Bag X. Today, I'm going to be giving you a sneak peek of the Glam Bag X Patrick Ta collection. My career first started 7 years ago when I first moved to Los Angeles, just working on weddings, working on event makeup. I think that's when Instagram came around, and two of the girls that first found me were Shay Mitchell and Gigi Hadid, and these girls completely have changed my life. My philosophy for makeup is wearable red carpet makeup. I love when makeup looks glamorous yet amplifies your natural features. I think a signature look of mine is a very glowy, monochromatic makeup look. So we launched Patrick Ta Beauty about 1.5 years ago, but before then I worked on it for almost 3 years. Having a brand is a lot of work, but when I see something come full circle, I'm like, I did that, I'm proud of that. This Glam Bag X collection was inspired by artistry, by makeup, and just empowering everyone to be their own artist. Everyone getting the Glam Bag X Patrick Ta collection will be receiving 8 full-size products, including 5 that I handpicked from my favorite artists. Everyone will be receiving my Major Brow Shaping Wax and the brush. It comes in clear and tinted. Or my Monochrome Moment Velvet Blush. We have the shade She's Seductive, She's Adorable, and my favorite, She's Passionate. I'm including the Major Brow Shaping Wax because I think this product is unlike any other product that you've ever used on your brows. It just gives you, again, the most beautiful, laminated, fluffy brows. So the reason why I created Monochrome Moment Velvet Blush is because I am obsessed with blush. I think blush just brings the face to life. I wanted to create a texture that was super buttery smooth. It applied onto the skin like a fresh colored cloud. I can't wait to unveil the full collection. This is just the beginning. I hope you guys love it as much as I do.